In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reclaim host during a Zoom meeting. If you've ever joined a meeting that you scheduled and discovered you don't have host controls, don't worry. Zoom lets you take them back as long as you're the meeting owner and signed into the right account. Reclaiming the host role restores controls like muting participants, managing the waiting room, recording, and starting breakout rooms, so it's worth knowing exactly where to click. First, open the Participants panel. On desktop, look along the meeting toolbar at the bottom of the window and click Participants. If the toolbar is hidden, move your mouse or press the Alt key on Windows or the Control key on Mac to reveal it. On mobile, tap the screen to bring up the controls, then choose Participants. This panel shows a list of everyone currently in the meeting, including you. Next, find your own name in that list and open the More menu. You'll see 3 small dots to the right of your name. If you don't see them immediately, hover your mouse over your name or tap your entry to make the dots appear. In larger meetings, you can use the search bar at the top of the panel to locate yourself more quickly. Click the 3 dots to open your personal options. Now, choose Reclaim Host. As soon as you select it, Zoom will transfer host privileges to you. In some cases, Zoom may ask you to confirm that you're the meeting owner, and you might see a prompt for the host key. That's a 6-digit code tied to your Zoom account. If you're signed in as the scheduler, reclaiming should complete instantly. Otherwise, follow the on-screen prompt. Once you're the host again, take a moment to confirm you have the controls you need. You should see the security shield, the ability to admit or remove participants, options to lock the meeting, and full control over screen sharing and recordings. If anything looks off, double-check that you're logged into the correct Zoom account and that you joined from the desktop or mobile app rather than a browser tab. A few quick tips to keep this smooth in the future. Sign into Zoom before joining your meeting. Keep the app updated so the interface matches what you see here. And if the reclaim option doesn't appear, it usually means you're not the meeting owner or you joined with the wrong account. That's it. You've just learned the fastest way to reclaim host during a Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.